This is the Burlington Northern Santa Fe um, Union Pacific Railroad vertical lift bridge crossed the Atchafalaya River located in Morgan City, Louisiana, or um, Berwick Bay, built in 1908. Combination swing bridge and vertical lift bridge built in 1908. And now this bridge is raised for uh, boats and ships, and then it's lowered for um, train traffic. Now this bridge is lowered. This is a tower span vertical lift bridge. You know, it's still in use for train traffic. And then I'm gonna show you. It was a swing bridge a few feet down. Uh, See, this is this swing bridge right here, like when it was uh, in use. You see, you got the machinery on top of the swing span, right? And it used to open, swing aside for boats, and it closed for trains. Yeah. From this one to this, the machinery has been removed, so which means that this bridge is closed shut. It doesn't open any longer though, but it's still used for train traffic. Yep. So it's near Mississippi too, but it also used to carry Southern Pacific Railroad swing bridge and a vertical lift bridge. So now this crosses the Atchafalaya River, or Berg or Berwick Bay, located in Morgan City, Louisiana.